clutch is to get going real slow, stand up, lean over the handlebars, jerk it back and forth. That's about the easiest way for a beginner. But once you're more comfortable with your quad, practice that, get it to where you can ride it, then you use the clutch pop. Now in all my research that I've done, it doesn't hurt it any, other than if you do it excessively or way too hard, it could like damage the clutch basket. So, just gonna rev a little bit, lean forward. And voila! You got a wheelie. Now, we move on to my second little thing. This is called doing a bicycle. Now I found the easiest way to do it is to go to second gear, stand up, lean and turn and get the throttle all at the same time. And just remember, this is all in a 250 bone stock. The only thing not stock is tires and oil and gas. That's it. Everything is bone stock. You don't need anything fancy. All you need is just a quad. That's a little higher than I like to rev it. A little too much for my comfort. Oh yeah. I built a new jump. It's not huge, but it's not as small as the other one. It's more of an actual jump. So, stay tuned for that. What you can also do for the side wheel bicycle thing is just sit on it, turn and throttle. It works, but it's not as easy. It's easier just to do that. Oh, by the way, do not try that on rock. Don't try that on sand, gravel stuff, because it'll slide out and it does not feel good.